Here I have FairPhone 3, and today I'm going to show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So to do this, firstly let's open settings, then go to the display section and then wallpaper. You can select one of the live wallpapers if you have one. You can set one of these pre-installed on device wallpapers, or you can just set up any other photo or image that you can download from the internet, for example, and set it as a wallpaper like this by selecting it from the gallery. Here you can adjust your image, then tap set wallpaper. Then you have to select if you want to set it on home screen, on lock screen, or on both screens. And after that, wallpaper will change. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.